In this preview, we share only one part conclusion, part 1, and we share in this particular preview Sun's transit effect for the whole month. But part 1 conclusion, part 1 and Sun's transit. Sun's transit effect for the whole month in the preview as well as conclusion part 1 out of 10 parts. The 10 parts are like transit effect of Sun for the whole month, transit effect of Mercury for the whole month, transit effect of Mars for the whole month, transit effect of Venus effect for the whole month. Conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, 3, task precaution chantings of the premium content which you can buy from the website prakashastrologer.com. But in preview, I will only share Sun's transit effect for the whole month as well as conclusion part 1. The choice, if you need more information, more guidance, and you want to plan your whole month and there's a lot of important things are happening in this coming month, then why don't you take the full, complete premium, the complete in-depth horoscope detail, the forecast for the whole month, and make this particular guidance most useful for your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies. And because this the horoscope prediction which I prepare for all of you is applied and is applied, it's pure applied astrology. So you can take the benefit out of this. Scorpio transit of Sun in 11th house, 17th September till 17th October. The Sun's transit in 11th house means monetary gain, improved economic and social status. This is a subtle time, suitable time for you to approach your boss, employer for any favor such as asking for a promotion. You will rise in your position at the workplace and get unexpected benefit from superior authorities. You could expect a profit in trade, attainment of wealth during this phase of time, even gain from your friend. Your social prestige would be seen rise. You'll gain more honor in your position. Health would remain fine during this phase of time, and your health could be happy. Will be sound health, very good. There will be happy occasion in the family. This period also signifies commencement of some spiritual constructive deed at your home, leading to even more happiness. Merrymaking, distribution, indulgence of indulging of good lifestyle at home could also be expected in this phase of time. Overall, comfortable period is related for you, for your family generally, leading to be family peace during this phase of time. Sun transit in 11th house, the other facets. At this time of this particular time period, may I say that your attention in turn towards the group you belong to, both formally and otherwise, to their values and ideals and your relationship to those values and ideals as well as your own. Friendship and other relationships are important to you now, and you are examining the role they play in your life. What kind of interaction do you have with others, and how well do you fulfill each other's needs? No one can live in a vacuum, and the function of this transit to find out what that means for you as an individual. At this time, it is usually best to work and cooperate with other groups. At other time, you have found it necessary to be alone in order to find out who you are, the chief purpose of your life. Now you must ask these same question in conjunction with others, engaging in a group effort. Project in your personal and professional life will be the most effective way to accomplish this aim. Socialize extensively. Study the people you associate with, for they are reflection of yourself. What is true of your friendship is also true of you for the most part. Scorpio, September 2021 conclusions. Conclusion part 1, Scorpio, in the month of September 2021. Scorpio, in this period, you will gain through trade, profession, public, government, authorities, decision maker. Scorpio, in the month of September 2021, you will cultivate your friendship with those in who are good position and achieving gain and honor through them. There is also indication if an expansion is possible in your business, profession, career. You'll have a tremendous confidence to handle any kind of adverse situation. Your enemies will not be able to do any harm to you, Scorpio, in this particular month of September. You'll be quite comfortable during this phase of time. Family happiness will be there. Expenses will be incurred on property. You may have to spend on household articles, movable goods, immovable property. An expansion of business trade is also likely to take place. Sudden unexpected travel, unexpected gain also possible. You'll come in contact with higher authorities, decision makers, higher official authorities, people who have a power. Your name, reputation will be on rising. A change in business or promotion is likely to take place. You will be inclined toward religious activities, might visit sacred places. A balanced state of mind is indicated, and overall happiness will be there. During this phase of time, you will have a strong desire to do things in a methodical manner. Your confidence will be par excellence. You'll definitely get encouraging result as far as your job, business, career is concerned. There are chances of venturing into new enterprise, profession. In flow of income shall be quite normal. Family atmosphere will be very good. Your social circle will also be widened. Short distance travel will prove to be beneficial. You might enter into a new venture, new business, and receive a lot of happy news through communication, good news through communication. Scorpio, due to Ketu position Lagna, Rahu position 7th house, Moon position in 8th house, you must be aware of foul temper, out of control behavior, too much aggression, too much attitude problem, too many developments, misunderstanding, living conflict and argument in your relationship, health issue linked with your lower abdomen, blood, digestive system, living conflict and arguments within your family members, your nearest to this one. You must be aware of relationship scandal or relationship conflict. Vacuum appeared in your relationship, too much depression, lack of focus, lack of understanding, too much confusion, cheating, deception, fraud, loss of reputation, failures, flops, obstacles, making a move, running around too much, thinking to move on, planning for a journey. Too many delays, too many blame games, foul behavior, out of control behavior, out of control, out of order action, conduct, dealing, sharp word of speech, bitterness, develop misunderstanding, living conflicts, separation from your loved one. You must watch decision choices. You must watch your decision choices personally or professionally. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month. In that particular analysis, you will find Sun's transit effect. That will define you, how the power will behave with you and how you're going to react toward the power. Will you be able to acquire a status which will give you wealth, power and authority? What will be your legal status? Mars transit effect also gives definition, your aggression, your courage, your confidence, your family relationship, how creative you will be, how enthusiastic you will be. Mercury transit effect for the whole month, your number game, your profit, your losses. May I say that this particular month, your flow of money, your flow of communication, your flow of information. And may I say that in this particular month, Mercury transit effect also define you, your flow of career, job, profession. Will you be able to start a new business venture? Mercury transit effect define this. Venus transit effect also define you. If you're participating in an interview, presentation, job, test, exam, will you be able to achieve success? Your love life, your luxuries, your lifestyle. Extensive monthly horoscope report define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your discipline, may I say that, to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole month to achieve a blessing which will fulfill your desire and hopes and expectation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly or monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.